Hello, I'm Chris with SolartekTV, prepping for underway operations on board the all-solar powered sailboat. The two panels I've installed here in the port and starboard side aft area of the cockpit will supply power to the auxiliary battery for the trolling motor located here in the cockpit, as well as supplying energy to the main batteries located in the V-berth down below. Okay, first thing we have to do is we need to drill some holes into our solar panel. Be sure you have yourself a block of wood. Don't want to go damaging your cockpit seating. I like to go like a ½ inch from the corner and just center it. Number 8 screws is what we're going to use here. Beveled Phillips head screws. Be sure to watch our how to make solar panels. This one was partially put together before I finished it out. This one costs about $2 per watt, and we've installed a blocking diode and mounted it to an aluminum backing. But yeah, check out the video. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Alright, that's looking pretty good. I'm just going to go ahead and drill the top two, just like we did on the starboard aft installation. Just got to get it centered. Semi-flexible is the way to go on a boat. It's very difficult to use rigid. I have used rigid and actually have an all solar powered power boat. You may have seen some of those videos as well. But it's best just to, for aesthetics, use semi-flexible solar panels. And sometimes you have to make them yourself, like I do, for custom installations. Now, that's looking pretty good. I'm just looking over to see if it looks about the same height as the starboard aft installation. And I'm just going to go ahead and drill one hole right now. So we can't get that installed. The stainless steel hardware we're using are number 8 screws, and they're about a ½ inch long. And we're also using finishing washers. So this is a beveled number 8 screw with a finish washer. The drill bit that I'm using is a little bit smaller than a number 8. But you want to make a pilot there into your fiberglass. You want it to be just a little bit smaller than your screw so that it won't ding up your fiberglass when you secure it. And I'm just going to get it kind of snug there. Trying to save my paint job as well. Just make sure your pilot drill bit is a little bit smaller than the screw you're going to install. Otherwise, you're going to have to get bigger screws. And you just want to make it snug. If you try to go over tight, you're going to ruin your securing job, and it's just going to bust that fiberglass. So don't over tighten it. Just to where it gets snug. A little windy out here today. Go ahead and get this mounted. Like I say, I just drill one at a time. I like to get the top two. And it's a number 8 ½ inch beveled Phillips head screw with a finishing washer. watch our videos, you'll be able to get your boat up and running for solar power pretty quick. And it's great inspiration for all of you do-it-yourselfers. Alright, this is now secure. This one's going to be going to the house batteries there in the main salon. This hole is going to be about 3/8 of an inch at the most. Just big enough to be able to run our wire inside there. Let's see if that'll go in to the hull. Yep, that's large enough to go in there. Once again, the midget vent's going to go just right over top of that. That's going to dress that out real nice. That's going to look great. We're going to be using number 4 screws for that to secure that up. So your pilot bit has to be very small. So yes, a very small pilot bit for your midget vent. I'm just going to do one here, get it started, make sure that's over top of all that. That's looking real nice. I'm going to go ahead and drill one. Check it. I think we can go ahead and secure that. Looks good. Okay, so we're securing our Perco Mini midget vent. We've put in the pilot bits and using some number 4 screws. Say this, the head of this Phillips head screwdriver is a little bit large for a number 4 screw. So I'm taking my time and just working it in slowly through the fiberglass. Once you get it through the fiberglass, it'll go right in there. And then you just want to cinch it up till it gets snug. And that is installed. Alright, that panel looks great. We've got this one on the port side aft. And we've also got its twin over here on the starboard side aft. Right now that one's hooked up to a trolling motor battery, but we will be putting that through hull in the cockpit here and making it go to the main salon for hookup to the house batteries. Be sure to watch our next video as we snake solar panel wiring behind bulkheads and underneath decking with hookup to the main battery systems in our V-berth. On board, Water Dance, the 17-foot all solar powered sailboat.